you doing? Can you step out the car?
Why?
Step out the car.
Why?
Step out the car.
No, I need a...
Step out the car.
I need a proper reason.
You need a reason? Okay, I'll give you 2 reasons. I'm gonna give you first the option. If you don't step out of this car, you're gonna be arrested for obstruction. If you want your reason, I'll give you your reason. It's gonna be for going 70 and also improper lane uses when you pass the car. So now, because of that, I'm gonna ask you to step out the car and 1 time.
Right here is where the power struggle begins. The driver wants a proper reason, the officer asserts authority, and suddenly we're no longer talking about speed, we're talking about compliance. Legally, officers can order a driver out of the vehicle during a traffic stop, but the way it's communicated matters. You can already hear frustration creeping in on both sides. And notice how fast the tone shifts once a child is mentioned. That instantly raises the stakes. Do you think the driver asking questions escalated this? Or was the officer already locked into enforcement mode?
I understand.
I got my little sister.
I understand.
That's why I was giving 2 reasons.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna step out. I'm just gonna put my little sister in.
That's fine. You step over here. What's the reason why you're driving the way you are?
I was just trying to get my little sister. It's my birthday today.
Are you trying to get yourself killed on your birthday?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get to my reasonable destination, and that's it.
Reasonable destination. Going 70 and then going past people in cars and stuff like that,
Yes.
that's reasonable?
Yeah, that's...
Especially, here, I'll tell you this right now. Because you got a kid in there, now it's child endangerment. Because of the way you're driving.
This is a critical moment. Once the officer mentions child endangerment, the stop changes completely. Even though the officer later says he won't pursue that charge, bringing it up reframes everything as a safety issue instead of a traffic violation. Then comes the DUI angle, disorientation, behavior, and speed being used as justification to ask for field sobriety tests. Legally, refusing those tests is allowed, but it often escalates suspicion. So ask yourself, would you have refused the tests here, knowing how that decision might play out?
I get that. Yeah.
That makes no sense. Take your hands out your pockets. Where's your driver's license?
I have my license. I have my driver's
Okay, well, based on how you're driving so bad, that's why you're getting treated the way you are.
Can I give you my driver's license?
Where's your driver's license at first?
It's in my car.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I go back? Can I grab it back here?
Sure.
Right here. Don't get up. Don't get up. Sit right there, okay? Sit right there. Don't get up. Okay? My driver's license.
Do you have the insurance in the car?
I think
You can go ahead and grab that.
it's in my car.
Go ahead.
It has on the app. It has
that's
the
fine.
progressive.
You got the insurance?
I do have. It's on my phone, but my phone.
Okay. When you find it, just show it to the other deputy, all right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Just going 70 and then catch a flying past with the cars on the opposite lane. Alright, awesome. So, there's a couple issues I have. Right. First one's your speed. 70. Okay. Not the end of the road. I get it. Okay. Everyone speeds. 70 is a little excessive because it's a 40 area. Then you're driving on the wrong lane and then you got your sister. Right? Do you think that's appropriate?
No, I agree with you.
Okay. So, let me ask you this. Alright. Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
Do you know why I'm asking you this?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you think I'm asking you?
I don't know.
The reason why I'm asking is because of the behaviors that you're exhibiting towards me.
Okay.
When you were looking for your stuff, you kind of looked a little disoriented, and then on top of that, because it's not common for people to be driving that fast and going outside the roadway, right?
Okay.
Do you agree? Okay. So based off everything that I'm telling you, are you willing to do some field sobriety tests to make sure you're safe to drive?
Nope.
You don't want to do field sobriety tests?
Nope.
Okay, that's fine.
The Celsius can, right? Okay. They answer your sticker
Yes.
with?
Celsius can.
It's a Celsius can.
Celsius can.
Okay.
Is that
So
what
if I
you're
open that door, it's going to be a Celsius can?
You can't switch my.
So here's the thing. I'm going to go up there and I'm going to verify if it is an alcoholic beverage. Open container is probably.
This moment right here is huge. The officer claims an open container, which, if legitimate, can establish probable cause to search the vehicle without consent. The driver insists it's an energy drink, while the officer says the label tells a different story. This is where plain view doctrine comes into play. If an officer can clearly identify contraband without searching, that changes the legal equation fast. The tension spikes because now it's not just about rights. It's about whose version holds up under scrutiny.
Cause to search your vehicle.
Well,
And that's what we are.
okay.
Okay.
You can't search my view.
Okay. I'm gonna verify this real quick.
I want your supervisor here.
You're gonna go. Can you stand right here?
I want your supervisor here.
No, you're not gonna go.
I need your supervisor here.
You're not gonna go.
What is the supervisor?
That's fine. You can keep saying
Supervisor, hey, I need
Get over here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't walk over there.
You can't touch
Don't
me.
walk over there.
You can't touch me.
Don't walk over there.
You can't touch me. You
Don't
cannot
walk over
touch
there.
me.
You want to go to jail? You want to go to
No,
jail?
do you want to go to jail?
jail?
Do you want to sue
Do you want to go to jail? I told you stand right there. You're not going to walk
My
up on
little
this deputy.
sister is in there.
Okay, and you think driving 70 miles an hour and you want to care now about your sister?
And I
think
care.
that's pretty ridiculous.
I care. Look
So
at
why
her.
don't you be quiet and let him do his job, and
Look
then we
at
can get
her.
this figured out.
Look at her.
You wouldn't be in this situation if you weren't driving 70,
Okay,
right?
and you weren't.
Right?
I wouldn't
right?
be here if she...
Okay, go ahead and do your thing.
No, you cannot do it.
Well, if you step again, you're going in cuffs. If you
cannot
step
do it
again, you're going in cuffs.
You
You're going to
cannot
be
do it
arrested
for-
for obstruction
Look at her.
if you do it again.
She's crying.
You know why she's crying? Because of her actions. You
Not
wouldn't be
because
here.
of your actions, because you're here.
Because I'm here?
Yes.
Why do you think you're here? Why do you think you're pulled over?
Because I would have been home already.
Going 70?
Yes,
Driving
I would have
outside
been
the
home
roadway?
already. I would have been around the corner. I would have been home already.
That's ridiculous. That you think that your actions
My
are
home
appropriate.
is already home already.
More looks like alcohol to me on the door.
I don't think so. I'm also smelling alcohol.
Okay. So,
Her mom is coming.
her mom's coming?
Her mom's coming. So
That's fine.
that's why I'm saying, do not touch her.
Did I say I was going to touch her? Why would I touch her?
You're making her cry.
Why do you think she's crying? Look at the scenario. Here,
I would have been
you know what?
home
Let's do this.
already.
Let's do this. Let's step over here so that way we don't expose
I
her.
would've been home
Do you want
already.
to talk like you're an adult? No? Okay. All right, turn around. You're under arrest.
This is the emotional breaking point. The sister is crying, voices are raised, and the officer decides the situation is no longer controllable without cuffs. Whether you agree or not, arrests often happen when officers feel they've lost compliance. Not necessarily when a crime escalates, but when control does. What makes this moment uncomfortable is the emotional overlap. Fear, embarrassment, and authority colliding in front of a child. Do you think the arrest calmed the situation, or made it worse?
Sit down, sit down. Sit down.
You're okay. I'll be right back, okay? Just stay in the corner for me, okay?
Sit down, sit down.
I
want to do something.
I got you.
Sit down.
I got you. It's okay.
Nothing's gonna happen to her, okay? I promise you that.
Here. Just like I said, she's your sister. Do you want to stand next to her? I'll let you stand next to her. She's going more comfortable. Do you want to do that? Or do you want to sit in the back of the car? What do you feel more comfortable with?
You already felt it. You already
Can you sit
would
here
she
for
feel
me?
more comfortable if you're standing next to her?
You already made
You want to stand next? Go ahead and stand next to her. She's your sister.
Uncomfortable. You already made her feel uncomfortable.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So for what?
Yeah, I'll explain to you what you're under arrest for. But I'll let you stand next to her so that way she feels more comfortable.
I don't want to get.
She'll come home tonight.
You don't have a proper cause.
Yeah, we do,
You cannot
because of the
search
alcohol.
my
That's
vehicle.
open
You
container.
cannot search my vehicle.
That's fine.
Officer.
I know.
I have rights. I have rights. You cannot search my vehicle.
I want my mom.
It's like an energy drink.
I want my mom.
Don't go in your pocket. Stop.
My mom's coming. She gonna
Stop.
fucking.
Stop. Don't go in your pocket.
Officer. Officer.
We're giving you the decency and lane stand next to
Not
her.
anymore. Put her in the back of the squad. Come on.
What about my sister, bro?
It's gonna be completely fine.
My sister, can we wait for my? Can we wait for my
I'll wait for
stepmom?
your sister. I'll
Can we
wait for
wait for my stepmom? Right here, right here.
You can have a seat in the car and I'll roll down the window.
Can we wait for my stepmom?
Yeah.
Please, please, please.
You
Can
have
we
your
wait for
camera?
my stepmom? Can we wait for my
What do you-
stepmom?
Yeah, I'm not gonna leave until your stepmom gets here.
My
Do you do you have any weapons or anything on you, pops, nothing like that? Okay, because the reason why I'm asking is because if you go to the jail and they find other contraband
I
charges.
do not. I do
No?
not.
Okay. Morn, can you just record? Yeah, because I gotta do the search.
It should have been recorded.
It's been recorded. It's recorded.
It's been
Look.
recorded.
It is. It is. I'm saying he's so
That's her
face the
dad.
camera.
That's her dad. That's
Okay,
her
we'll
dad.
talk to her. We'll talk to her.
I'll be over there.
Is this your work phone? You want to come with you? Or you
No,
want
that's
to go
my
with her?
personal phone.
Just don't go over to the truck.
This one?
The hoodie pocket.
No, she's got nothing. No, she's
You're inside.
Just take a seat. And I'll explain the after, okay?
Are you good if I explain that?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So, okay, do you want to understand how everything works and why you're in handcuffs?
I guess.
Yes or no? If you don't want to, it's fine. I'll just close the door.
It's fine. I was just,
It's a yes or no?
I got my rights. I got my rights. I know where my rights are.
Okay. Okay, so do you want me to explain you?
Okay. Do your parental rights.
My parental rights?
Or I don't know what the fuck your rights are. Just do it.
It's a question for you. I'm offering you these. I don't have to tell you, but obviously it is an agitated situation, and I'm sure you have. But I don't mind explaining it to you.
Explain it.
Okay.
Explain
You want me to explain? Okay. So, first issue is you're going, like I told you, you're going 70 and you're going the opposite lane of traffic, right? You can't do that. You know that, and it's your birthday. Why would you do that, right? There's that. And then on top of that, you got your sister in the car. You gotta be a good role model to her, dude. Like, come on, right? So there's that. And then the other part I have it is I can smell alcohol in your breath. And then on top of that, you say that, hey, this is an energy drink, and then we look in the door from here, from plain view, it's definitely not an energy drink because you can read the top label. Now you're saying that we can't search your car. Right there, we have enough probable cause to search your car without it, because with the open alcohol, that's more than enough information I need to search that car. Alright? And then, like I say, you're slurring your speech, you're not making sense, and obviously you're upset. Now here's the thing. You're probably going to get charged.
This is one of the most important segments of the entire encounter. The officer clearly lays out the charges: speeding, improper lane usage, and DUI, while explicitly stating child endangerment will not be charged. That distinction matters legally and publicly. He also explains the process: jail, citations, release, and court date. This is where reality sets in. No yelling, no arguing, just consequences. And for first-time arrests, this explanation can feel overwhelming, even if the outcome isn't permanent.
Actually, not probably. I'll just tell you. You're going to get charged for speed, improper lane usage. I'm not going to do the child endangerment, and then you're going to do the DUI, right? The other questions you have is what happens if you're not. You're going to go down to jail. I got to read you some stuff. And then after I'm done reading with you, they're going to process you. Is this the first time you've ever been arrested?
Yes, pretty much.
Okay, I understand. Okay, so what will happen from there is you're just going to get some citations. They'll hold on to you for maybe a few hours. You're going to get out today. Alright, and then you just get a court date. Alright? Does that make sense? So I got your phone. I got your wallet. And your other phone as well. They'll come with you at the jail, so that way when they let you go, you can make a phone call, and that way you can get arranged for all that stuff. And then the only thing I have to read here really quick, I have a few questions. And again, it's totally up to you. If you don't want to answer anything, that's fine. Is this your car?
Yeah, that's my car.
Okay. So, because you say you have rights, I do have to read you this now with the questions. Okay? So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. You can decide at any time these rights and not answer any of my questions or make statements based off everything you understand. I read to you. Do you have any questions about your rights or anything like that? Okay. Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer any questions?
I don't know questions.
You don't want to answer questions? Okay, that's fine. Besides questions, is there anything else you needed in the car?
No.
You're good? All these things? Okay. These will come with you. I'll put them in a bag. I'll send my friends to you, okay?
Is
Yeah, go ahead.
my dad and my sister good?
Yeah.
Somebody
So your sister's hanging out. I told your dad everything that happened, and all that kind of stuff, and I explained to him that you'll be on in a couple hours. Like I said, it'll be short and sweet. In terms of your car, I'll give you the impound lot name. I think it's either North Chicago Towing or Lake County Towing, the one on Green Bay and Grand. They'll have your car. You can pick it up from 12 hours from now, okay? You said this is the first time you've ever been arrested, right?
At the end of this encounter, what we see is a textbook example of how quickly a traffic stop can escalate when emotions, authority, and perceived rights collide. The final outcome includes multiple citations, a DUI charge, vehicle impoundment, and a court date, but no child endangerment charge. The bigger takeaway: compliance, communication, and emotional control matter just as much as legality in moments like this. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police breakdowns.
Caught a DUI or anything? Never? Okay, that's what it is. Any other questions? Okay, I'll try to get the paperwork done so I can get you home, alright?
Okay.